Hello everyone. So today's session we are going to see about the yes mouse. Okay. So what is the use of mouse? Okay. So for yesterday's session we have seen about that input output devices. So today's session join with me Jenny. Okay. Let's start using the mouse. Okay. So when we do some process on the computer we have to do process or work in your system, we should know about the access of mouse. Okay, so what are the operations we can do in our mouse means you can see here there are four operations. One is left click, right click, double click, and drag and drop click. Okay, so here you can see I shown the picture for your information. Okay, so this is your scroll wheel. You can move left and right or up and down. Okay, not left and right, up and down. For if you want to move left or right side in your document or page, you should click this left click. Okay, and if you want to move your page towards to the right means you should click on the right click. So if you want to scroll the pages, you should click this vertical scrolling or backward forward scrolling. So these are the four operations we can perform in the mouse. Okay, and next here you can see next topic is introduction to drawing tools. So drawing tools means you are going to make some painting in the picture. So here I draw some picture and giving some color. Okay, so it depends to you. As you wish, you can draw any picture on your page and then you can give any color. Okay, as you wish. So who is giving this paint software for the kids or beginners? The Microsoft corporations, they are giving this packages to beginners, to the beginners as well as kids also. So before that, doing this painting work or work in this painting software, we should know about this tools. Okay, so here you can see tools of this painting. First one is freeform select tool. So why we are using this tool? So here you can see this star symbol, freeform tool, right? So what is the use of this? For example, in my document I have lots of um, pictures from here, uh, here. All the pictures are scattering here means I want to select only one picture. So you can click this freeform tool means you can select irregular, not order wise. Okay, so unorder wise you can click this selection tool. Okay, if you are selecting this tool you can select from any one picture of your document. Okay, and next another select tool. This select tool is basically for that regular selection. Okay, that is shape wise you are going to select this picture. For example, rectangle wise, square wise, circle wise, we can select this select tool. And another tool is you can see that is eraser. Okay, so eraser, if you don't need that picture you can erase that picture on the screen. And next you can fill this color with this paint box. Okay, another, if you want to pick or take any one color from the picture means you can click this pick color tool. If you want to search deeply you should click that magnifier tool. And pencil tool is for drawing. I can use like this thin pictures. Okay, and then brush tool for I can drawing thickness. For more thickness I can use this brush tool. Okay, so here you can see the difference between pencil and brush. Okay, and next airbrush for scattering color, and A for text. When you are going to type some text on your screen or window you can use this text tool. Okay, and Then this line, rectangle, curve, polygon, rounded rectangle, ellipse, or the shapes. You are going to perform mathematical operations or chart preparation. You can use this tools: line, rectangle, ellipse, curve, polygon, and rounded rectangle. So these are the tools which we have mentioned on the Microsoft package. Okay. And next, computer ethics and safety. So if you are doing some works on the computer lab or in your house, you should learn what are the things you have to do, what are the things we should not do in our lab. Okay. So if you want to do work with the computer, you should sit properly and don't play on the lab. Don't touch the keys with the hands, and do not play run on the computer lab. Okay. Then next one. Yes. So these are this session. So thank you so much. Bye from Jenny.